Good afternoon, South Florida. I'm CBS 4 meteorologist Lisette Gonzalez with your Tropics update. And of course, we are still tracking Hurricane Maria, which devastated Puerto Rico. It's still bringing heavy rain and gusty winds to parts of Puerto Rico and lashing out at northeast Dominican Republic right now. Category 3 and max sustained winds of 115 miles per hour moving northwest at 9 miles per hour headed towards or near Turks and Caicos later today. And then a Category 2 as it weakens as we get into Saturday. Sunday, it'll likely be to the east of the Bahamas and to the east of Florida. However, we're going to feel the impacts in terms of the winds increasing and rough seas, rip currents. Category 2 still into Monday, moving northward, but then taking a turn to the northeast as we head into Tuesday. There's a lot of uncertainty as to what happens early to middle of next week, and I'll show you in a second what the models are indicating. But right now, the satellite is showing that yes, Puerto Rico is still dealing with some torrential rain, and also Dominican Republic is just getting slammed as we're seeing that the southern half of Hurricane Maria is right over the entire area there. And of course, we have the threat for flash floods, mudslides across these islands. Our thoughts and prayers with these Caribbean islands. So as we look at the models, you'll notice most of them keep Maria moving northward, east of Florida, at least until the start of the week. Then, will it be near Bermuda? Will it be near the Carolina coast? There's a lot of uncertainty as to what will happen as we get into Tuesday, Wednesday, and whether it'll be closer to the coastal areas of the mid-Atlantic, northeast New England areas, similar to Tropical Storm Jose, or will it be heading out into the open waters of the Atlantic? This is the reason why all eyes along the East Coast will be on Hurricane Maria. Hurricane warning is in place for northern Dominican Republic, Turks and Caicos, southeast Bahamas, tropical storm watch for the central Bahamas, and additional rainfall ranging from 6 to 10 inches possible for Puerto Rico today. And in Dominican Republic, could see about a foot or a foot and a half of rain in spots, and for Haiti, could see even some 2 to 4 inches or higher amounts up to 6 inches in spots. So here's a look at Tropical Storm Jose, which is bringing some heavy rain and gusty winds to the New England coastline. Tropical storm conditions across some of these areas. It is basically not moving, stationary, and expected to just stall out here and weaken to a depression as we head into the weekend, and lead to rough surf and rip currents up and down the East Coast. So that's certainly something that we'll have to keep an eye on here in South Florida. We'll see the dangerous risk of rip currents, also due to Maria being to our east. But tropical storm warnings continue for much of the New England coast, including Cape Cod and Martha's Vineyard, and that means that folks along the northeast New England areas will be watching Jose and Maria here in the next couple coming days. Of course, we'll continue to update you here on CBSMiami.com.